Hey guys, it's windy as shit. Any vlogging is gonna sound kind of dumb. That's why I'm doing this dumbass lean into my car crap. This is just the intro though. I want that to be clear at least. I almost didn't come out today, but then I'm just sitting in my car and I'm just like, wait, why am I sitting in the car if I'm not gonna go? And then I went, so now we're here. Yep, alright. Going to spot now. Nails. Fun story. About 2 months ago, I lived in this hotel for about 3 weeks because one of our crazy neighbors decided to flood the abandoned apartment next to us. It flooded our apartment, but we moved and got our internet back, so that's how we got there. It was just such a turbulent time, I couldn't get myself to go out, so now I guess I'm filming that vlog as if like I still live there. But I don't live there anymore. We're back in the house. It's pretty nice. Holiday Inn in Tacoma, not so bad. Not the best by any means though. Oh, come on. Quickie today, I don't got that much time. I want to be back. I want to be able to do that and then 360 at the end. Get a couple jumps at a different spot now. You know what I mean? Still a yes on the water challenges, but this is like the only one I could find, so I feel obligated. Worst part about water challenges, I almost rather hurt my leg than get wet. Easy. Give myself a heart attack, Louis. It wasn't the jump that I had an issue with. It just stayed it up here. I don't know. Been doing this for 3 years. I still can't stand on a wall, apparently. Got a breaker leg that get wet. It's so funny. It's a little embarrassing. I can't lie. I can't lie. I'm more scared to like get wet than like hurt myself. It's the silliest thing ever. But this is what the sport. Overcoming shit. God. I don't hop over stuff that often. I like hopping onto it. Thomas can wait. I'm gonna give y'all a winning battle for fucking once. Instead of just battling for like 20 minutes and just leaving. Yeah. That's gonna be it right now. I'm fucking melting. I did win the battle though. So for once, I'm not just teasing the spot. I tried a couple times and I was like, nah. And I hit 3 challenges today, actually. Well, anyways, you guys have a wonderful day while I melt in this way too hot weather. Literally, look at me. Look at me. That's sweat. All right, later, guys.